Hey guys, it's LV Elevators here bringing you parts video. Today, I'm going to be showing you these parts of the Mad BS button. So let's start off with this part. There's the button where it causes all the fun. There's the pin connector. Alright, so now we have the back of the circuit board. As you can tell, this is the back of the circuit board. This model was made in July of 2009, it looks like. Anyways, we have the button. We have and this black part pushes in, which causes it to hit this part of the button. Alright. Yeah. That's what it sounds like when it hits the button. Because it hits this part. And then there's this base that goes back on how we found it. There's the backboard of the base. There's the backboard of the circuit board. And there's the front end of the circuit board. So, what this basically is, these parts are causing, the button to, like for door close, there's no LED in it. That's why it says an L. Anyways, this part, this black part, it's down, which causes the button to actually, go, which causes this button to click. And these pin connectors get connected, so that way they cause, like the door close to work, alright? Anyways, I'm not going to put this back together on video. I'll do that myself because I do not want to take up cloud storage. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like the video and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.